Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful 2002 Pontiac Trans Am WS6 Ram Air. Gorgeous. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
Good.
Beautiful day, huh?
Yeah.
Man, what a car. So tell us a little bit about it.
But the car runs good. I checked it all out and everything. The car looks nice. Real pretty car. And there's nothing that you can do with the car. Everything is good.
Working good?
Yes.
Beautiful. Love the color. You got T-tops, all original factory options. 5.7 liter LS1. Looks like you got brand new tires on here?
Just about.
Yeah. Got drilled rotors. Really runs nice. Any recent work done on it?
No,
It's always been, yeah.
I put a brand new tranny in there.
Okay. How long ago was the tranny done?
About 3 months, 4 months, and I didn't put it. I kept it the winter time. I kept it in the garage.
So like no miles then.
No, there's no miles. I could give them the bill too.
Great.
It's guaranteed.
Beautiful. It's got the polished wheels on here. Man, she's spotless, huh? Showing 87,426 miles. Beautiful car. Even the struts hold up on the trunk lid, which is pretty cool. The hatch lid. Man, nice as it can be, huh? Nice as it could be.
Yeah. See any rips in the seats?
Oh, it's beautiful.
All original. All original.
Runs nice, huh? Could we go for a quick ride?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go take it for a spin. Sounds good. You have the stock exhaust on here?
That I don't know. I think so. I mean, I didn't change it, you know.
Mm-hmm. Just sounds nice.
I don't want to do this fucking car. Fuck this.
I'm gonna try to avoid the puddles, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Man, these cars are so iconic.
Yeah. We're going over here, right?
Yeah, go ahead there. Let's take them down Sunrise.
Huh? That's good.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Better way with this traffic.
Yeah, there's always traffic around here. God, I love it with the T-tops. So nice with the T-tops.
Yeah. I want to go all the way on the other side. So we'll come up this way. Get all the way. Oh yeah, okay, come on.
We can go to the next one. Why don't you
Christ.
just get out there and we'll go down. We'll make a U-ey on the next one. This way you don't have to go all the way across.
Holy shit. Okay, maybe tomorrow morning.
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful, yeah.
I'm gonna say it home.
Okay.
I mean,
You have the window sticker or anything? No?
it's the only thing I'm missing.
Alright.
The only thing I'm missing.
Yeah, she sounds nice. Pulls hard, huh?
Not all the way.
Wow. Good. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot for showing us your car.
Huh?
So thanks for showing us your car. It's awesome.
Thank you very much.